Hey guys, I'm showing you this stainless steel band is compatible with the Apple Watch, and I got a 45 size here, and I'm trying to use this on my Apple Watch Series 7. So this is a really a metal Apple Watch band, with a 45 thing. So let's see like how this look from the packing, and everything looks really nice. And this is a stainless steel design, so heavy band with the metal. So let me remove all this protective covering to show, and this is the hook like that goes both side. So I'm just removing the protective covering so it's good to see. So this finish is really smooth, and I can say that this is a premium stainless steel with and um, butterfly closure that folds. And this is the side pins to go into the Apple Watch. So this is my original Apple band with it. So I'm removing these ones. Just cleaning a bit. So I'm putting this side bands is pretty nice, goes in one way and the other side. So no issue with installing this band into the Apple Watch. It's not coming out, and it's pretty secured here, as you can see. From the side also it goes all inside, no issue. I'm just putting on my hand. So see, it looks really nice. I don't see like I have a hairy hand, but still it's not pinching, or my hairs are not fitting or coming in between this band. So not irritating, or you know it's pretty comfortable. And the good thing is that with the size and the design, because it's a little loose on my hand, so you can actually use this supplied tool to adjust the length of this band. So that is pretty nice too, and this is very handy tool that you can see. So this tool can be used to fix the length. So put the band in the side, you can see the process. So you just rotate and the pin will be out from this, and you can just take out that pin and take out those band, whatever you want to take out, and then you can so you can take out this like this, like with a screwdriver, and then fit it band, put it back with the hand thing, and then it will fit. So it's a pretty nice design, pretty sturdy stainless steel, nice quality, no issue with this, and pretty handy as well. So nice Apple Watch band.